Welcome to AITrillion.com. Today I'll show you how to set up custom pop-ups. You can go to your dashboard. Then go to AI Popups. Then Custom Pop-ups. Here you can create custom pop-ups. Basically custom pop-ups are pop-up, where you can give some message to the customer. Where you can give some offers, you can promote your product. And you can manage top banner image of the pop-up. You can also manage the content and call to action button, where you want to link the customer store. Here's an example of Sign Up Pop-up, where you can ask customers to become a member and earn something. Here in design, you can select the pop-up position, like a center of the page, or top of the page, bottom of the page, right, left corner, right corner. So, you can set the position, and you can have the button style. Like you can design a sign up button, and you can give it a color. You can give it a URL, where it should link in button text. Then we have a pop-up style. How much opacity want to give for the pop-up form, and what should be the width and height, so you can manage it accordingly. Then we have content. You can manage the image of the pop-up from here. You can set the alignment, like where you want to align the image. And you can also have the image position, like it should be on the bottom, or top, or center. So, from here you can also manage the content for the pop-up. You can also add a background image if you wish to. Then you can manage all the colors of the pop-up from here. You can also manage the text in the bottom, if you want to add it, or link it anywhere. You can manage the text from this site. Then is behavior. You can set the display of the pop-up, when you want it to come, whether immediately, where customers landing on the page, or it should come after 5 seconds, 10, 15, or 20 seconds, or customer scrolls the page, whether they're on the middle page or bottom of the page. You can set it first time load only. Like, if a customer comes, it will come first time only. And we have exit browser. When a customer trying to exit on the page, you can show this pop-up after exit. Then we have display frequency. Like if it should come one time, or one time a day, 5 days, or you can set accordingly. Also on which page you want to display the pop-up, whether it should come on all the pages, home page, cart page, thank you page, or any specific URL. You can create multiple pop-ups for multiple pages, and show offers or recommendations accordingly. Then you can disable or enable pop-up form from here. And you can save the pop-up. Thank you.